In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view in 3D in IKEA online. If you've ever wished you could spin a product around and see it from every angle before buying, this is exactly what we'll cover. By the end, you'll know how to find the 3D viewer on a product page and how to control it smoothly so you can make more confident choices. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official IKEA website. When the homepage loads, take a second to get oriented. You'll typically see a search bar at the top, along with navigation for categories such as furniture and accessories. That's your starting point. From here, you're ready to explore. Begin browsing for items. You can scroll through featured products on the homepage, use the top navigation to jump into a product category, or type a product name into the search bar if you already know what you're after. To narrow things down faster, select a section that fits what you want, like sofas, storage, lighting, or tables. This helps you land on the products that are most relevant to your space. When you spot something interesting, click on the product to open its details page. This page is where all the useful information lives: photos, measurements, materials, and often color options. Now this is the key part. Look for a button or link labeled View in 3D. It's usually near the main image gallery or alongside the product media options. If you don't see it on a particular item, that product may not support 3D, so try another similar item. Click View in 3D and the 3D model will load. Give it a moment. Once it appears, use your mouse to control the view. Click and drag to rotate the item and see it from the front, back, sides, and even underneath. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out for a closer look at textures and details. If your mouse supports it, right-click and drag, or use a modifier key with the drag to pan the view so you can recenter the product without rotating it. Take your time to explore the angles that matter to you, whether that's how the arms of a sofa curve, the thickness of a tabletop, or the placement of shelves. When you're done, you can close the 3D viewer to return to the product page and continue comparing items. That's it. Simple, clear, and incredibly helpful for visualizing pieces before you commit. Enjoy exploring IKEA online in 3D, and happy furnishing.